How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. With the market pumping up right now, it really reminds me of this moment in the office, and I just have to play it here for you.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
So it seems like everyone is getting so excited for the end of the year. They're thinking about ETFs. They're thinking about institutional adoption. They are thinking about companies buying different cryptocurrencies and more mainstream, I'd say, news and more mainstream adoption of crypto. With that being said, though, I think that some people will fail while you specifically, the person listening to this, you will win. The reason I say that is I've actually run a test. I've run a case study on this channel, and I'll be honest, it blew my mind. I kind of did this behind the scenes, and you might not even know what I'm talking about. Maybe you noticed, but I ran a case study, and the people that watch this channel are ahead of the curve. I'll explain why I say that here in a minute. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, subscribe button, all that good stuff, it does help out the channel. There is a link underneath the video to join the Patreon. There, I actually did an options trade recently, made some good money, and I put out another options trade here that I think could be really profitable in the next few months. So if you guys want access to that, this is the best time of the month. It's the first. So thank you guys for that. Let's get into it. So why do I say that people in this channel, watching this channel, are ahead of the curve? Like I said, I did a little bit of a test. So I guess I did this without you guys knowing necessarily. But about 2 weeks ago, I said, would you rather have a $250,000 home completely paid off or 5.4 Bitcoin, which would be about $250,000 of Bitcoin at that day's prices? So it was around 46,500. If we look 2 weeks back, because it doesn't break it down, it doesn't show me the date either. It was probably right around this range, right? Where we saw it around 46,000. So 2 weeks back, 69% of people on this channel said that they would prefer Bitcoin. They would rather take the Bitcoin thinking that's appreciating asset. Of course, homes are appreciating too, but maybe not the same price as Bitcoin. And then I ran another test. 3 days ago, I ran a test and I was determining what the channel would rather have. 5.87 Bitcoin, because Bitcoin actually fell to 42,000, or a $250,000 home completely paid off. Now, I did this as a test. I thought for sure people on the channel, people just in general, would rather have the home because we had seen a dip from 52,000 down to about 42,000. There's still fear in the market, Evergrande, and the SEC potentially making certain cryptos actually securities. So I thought people would pick the $250,000 home more often than Bitcoin. Now, of course, the channel grew a little bit in the last couple weeks, probably more crypto people, but for it to change 2%, I feel like that is very different than what I would have expected, right? Maybe we gained a couple hundred subscribers. So I don't think it would push more people to the 5.87 Bitcoin that would make this not valid. More people, 2% more people took the Bitcoin. Now, why am I so surprised by this? Well, we saw a 10% dip from that first post, and we saw a 20% dip from the recent high of around 52,000 about a month ago. And usually we see this market cycle, or this cycle of market emotions. Usually when we fall further, more people get depressed, despondent, there's capitulation, there's panic, hope on the upside. But we have seen a lot of people that get very fearful at the bottom. We see a lot of FUD at the bottom. And I am super surprised. I'm not sure I've ever been, quote unquote, proud of our entire community. Like, I guess, sure, it's great when we hold, but to actually see people that are more excited when we dip and people that want to buy more, I think that sets us apart from a lot of communities. And maybe it's crypto in general, right? There's so many ups and downs in crypto. There's so much excitement for the end of the year. Maybe this will change as time goes on, but right now, our community on this channel is getting stronger every single dip. Every single dip, we want more. And that is the opposite of the general public, right? Usually in assets, when we see a dip, people get scared and they want to sell, right? If you buy a stock and it falls from $20 to $5, a lot of people, they just want to sell and get out of it. They don't want it to fall anymore, when that is actually the best time to buy, right? Buy low, sell high. It's a lot easier to say than it is to actually do, but on this channel, we do it. So I am just really excited. I want to bring this to your attention. If you guys haven't subscribed or liked this video before, I really would appreciate it if you guys do that now, because I think this is a great channel and I'm very proud of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, there's a link underneath the video to the Patreon, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.